Opinion essay topic: Advantages and disadvantages of building a large factory near your community. I support the idea that a factory to be built near our community. I list my reasons as follows. Firstly, a new factory near our community helps to improve living standards of people in our community. The factory will employ a lot of workers. As a consequence, the unemployment rate will drop significantly. Many people in our community will find a job in the factory. As people's income increases, they will be able to spend more money on their food, clothing, and leisure time, and the quality of life will be increased. Secondly, a new factory will bring prosperity to our community. The tax collected from a factory is an important source of revenue for our town. As people have higher income tax collected will also be increased. The town will be able to spend more money on infrastructure and other development. Moreover, in order to accommodate more workers, more homes and stores will be needed. This will boost real estate development in our community. Some people say that a factory would bring smog and pollution and destroy the quality of the air and water in town. This is not the truth. Modern technologies have made today's factories technology intensive and brought pollutions to the minimum. There are also worries that the social structure of this community will be changed and traditional life will be affected. We should understand that society needs to evolve and we cannot always stay in the old time. Of course, there will be some drawbacks of building a factory here, but in my opinion, the benefits outweigh the dangers. I strongly support to build a factory here and hope that others feel the same way. Thank you for listening. Please like, share and subscribe.